Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. Today is July 17th, 2021, and I'm going to discuss gold only. On a weekly basis, gold price made a minuscule gain, adding 0.25%. Let's have a look at a big picture. This is a weekly chart. After gold peaked in the summer of 2020, rising as high as $2,073, it gave back 19% and bottomed in March of 2021, declining as low as $1,676. After a 2-year $900 rally, a $400 decline over a 7-month period looks quite constructive. In my opinion, the process of consolidation is coming to an end, and gold should be breaking out higher late third quarter, early fourth quarter of the present year. It has been particularly surprising to see gold doing so badly with a rising inflation and negative real interest rate environment. The US consumer prices posted largest gain in 13 years, reaching 5.4%, according to the most recent statistics. Yet, Federal Reserve claims that inflation is transitory. Just a year ago, inflation stood at 1% and started to accelerate over the past few months. It would have been realistic to expect inflation to be transitory should Fed's balance sheet start to shrink, but we see the opposite. Its balance sheet increased by around $200 billion over the past 30 days only. With no real actions taken by the Fed to contain the inflation, it is likely to persist going forward and not be transitory. At some point, investors should figure out that Fed is unable to hike rates or stop bond buying in any meaningful way. Now let's zoom into a 4-hour gold chart. Over the passing week, gold finally managed to overcome the downward sloping resistance and rose as high as $1,833, but then peaked and rolled over, giving back the entire gain. Gold literally closed at the previous resistance, which is acting as a support right now. I wouldn't rule out intraday breakdown of the support, but believe gold should be able to hold above $1,800 mark. For the next week, gold price could advance as high as $1,850 level, but I don't expect it to go much higher than that. Gold price is likely to remain weak towards the second half of July, since the number of active contracts that expire in the end of July is still quite high, standing at nearly 250,000 contracts. Although it has come down by 73,000 contracts over the passing week, it is still high. Investors are rolling out into the December 2021 contracts, which is now the most active one. To sum up, gold is likely to range trade between $1,800 $1,850 level for the remainder of July. I expect more constructive and reasonable price action in August, where I believe gold should finally be trading above $1,900 mark. This is it for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content on this channel. And please note that this video is not an investment advice and prepared solely for educational purposes. Wishing you a nice weekend.